Thanks a lot.
Here's the wife doing all the work.
Yep, I'm not paddling. This is Muskrat Lake, just out canoeing today. Day after Canada Day, eh? Canada Day. July 2nd. Canada's 144 years old. Smile. You can't do around the world. Can we do around the world?
I don't think so, without you hopping in the water.
You think so? Here, let's try it.
Don't, you're gonna die.
No, let's try it.
I believe you.
What?
I believe you here.
What are you going to do, throw me overboard?
Yeah, to a belly of a whale.
Belly of a whale. This is nice and calm. Uh-oh, what's that? What's that, a rock? Oh.